Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and before we get into this video, make sure to like, subscribe and turn on post notifications so you get notified when I post a video. Anyway, today I'm with my best friend who's going to be in most of my videos, and her name is Emily.
Hi.
So yeah, and today we are going to be teasing our ginger cats, which means doing lots and lots of stuff that they really don't like. So Emily's gonna get her ginger cat out, and first we are gonna make them run and do lots of stuff. Hi mommy, so what are we gonna do today? Can we go to the ice cream shop please? I'm so hungry.
Yeah, me and Buster are gonna do a lot of stuff, so.
Nope. Today you are gonna go. Oh, it's already nighttime. So I see. You're gonna go camping today. Mommy, please. I don't like camping. I hate the outdoors.
Well, you have to because it's one of your tasks. In fact, it's now gonna be one of your daily. So, yeah.
Deal with it. So, there needs to be a fast way to get to camping. Maybe on a hoverboard. Yes, obviously. Mommy, please. I don't like camping. I hate the outdoors. What if I get frostbite? Don't be silly. I know you love camping inside.
Please. No. Be quiet, please. We are staying at camping. We are not going back home. We need to do some other stuff that you're not used to doing.
Exactly.
We need to explore a bit more.
So we are at camping now. Mommy, I know I got a really good idea. Let's turn and let's go back home and have some hot cocoa. Nope, you are going to go and be at camping. Mommy, please, I'm getting frostbite. Literally right next to the fire. How can you get frostbite from that? But mommy, please. I hate frostbite. It's the worst. And camping as well. And number one, you're not even gonna get frostbite.
I find it really fun. I don't know why.
Same.
Okay, let's go back home now since we're finished.
I'm not finished yet.
That's better.
I'm
Tomorrow we are coming outside. But Mommy, I don't want to. And we are doing exercising as well.
Exactly.
I'll just run away.
Let's just teleport
no.
them. So,
And if you run away, I'll keep you on a leash forever.
and it's gonna be a mouse leash. Your favorite, a mouse leash. Oh, and you're gonna get a mouse toy.
Yes. Come on,
So that's gonna be good. But I don't like being outside. Well, guess what? You're gonna be outside, so deal with it. And now you're gonna have a shower. You're gonna have a shower in the morning. Exactly.
Yes.
But mommy, I hate showers. I hate showers. They're the worst.
You're gonna have to.
Oh look, it's morning. Mommy, please. I don't like showers. They're the worst. Well, you're gonna have to go to the shower. Finally. Now let's go outside.
Yes, let's go outside and make you do some exercising. Mommy! I feel sick now. Please can we go to
I
the
feel
hospital?
sick by not eating ice cream.
Same. Yeah, we feel sick because we haven't eaten ice cream, our favorite food. You're making us get sick.
Well,
I'm sorry, but you're not allowed.
well, I get sick when I eat too much unhealthy food. So you better be grateful. Mommy, I'm a bit cold. Can we go to the hot spring? Yeah, should we bring them to the hot spring?
Our cat's really fussy.
They're really sassy as well.
Yeah. When have they become so sassy in our life?
I'm just gonna be nuts, I guess. Hey, now let's get the healing apple.
Ew, that tastes disgusting, Mom. Just deal with it, okay? It's normal. It's normal medicine. It's not gonna poison you. Mommy, you know that's the worst medicine that I hate.
Oh, first, before I go to the hot spring, we're gonna go buy you a sandwich. Oh, or maybe a burger. Actually, a sandwich.
Let's go take you
Actually, a
to
sandwich.
get some water and an apple.
Yeah, that sounds more healthy. Mommy, don't jump on a rock again. I'm scared of heights.
Golden apple. They're disgusting. Now the red apples will be even worse. Oh, luckily you're thirsty now, so you can get some water to drink.
So what should I buy? Let me go ahead and buy
No, I'm gonna choke on this. It's disgusting.
maybe
Here you
this.
go. Let's buy you 4 apples for school.
Oh, at school you get free apples, I think. Yeah, you get free apples.
Yes.
And yep, I'm gonna pick you up. And now I'm just gonna go to the hot spring. And make sure you don't be fussy about it. I'm not dressing you up anything. You're just gonna be a normal cat and go to the hot spring and don't embarrass me. So where's the hot spring?
Come on, I'm dropping you now because you're lazy and you need to exercise.
And I'm not.
I'm running out of breath already and I've only taken 2 steps.
There we go.
Give
So
me something to drink now.
I'm
No, I'm
gonna.
sorry, honey. You're gonna have to.
Maybe the mouse. Mommy, I love mouses. And you're gonna lose the mouse if you keep being sassy and mean. Jeez.
Yes. Actually, I'm gonna give you that chew toy. It's a dog's chew toy. Because you hate chew toys, don't you? Mom, if you knew I hate them, why did you give me it? It's disgusting. It tastes like a dog.
Maybe some newspaper that you might choke. Oh. Okay. Maybe I might just get this as well. The dog chew toy. That's so good. It's rare.
Actually, I've got a good idea. I know you can't help tennis balls, can you? Oh, Mommy, don't you dare throw it in the... Oh, Mommy, don't you dare throw it in the lake.
Well,
here
I
it
am.
goes. I just put out the water and my nose.
Come on. Mommy, that was the worst. Why would you on earth would you make me do
Look,
that?
let's go throw it in water so they can go in the water.
Yeah, do you have a drink or anything, like a healthy drink like water? No, Mommy, I want some hot chocolate.
Yeah.
No, do you have hot chocolate?
Get some for you.
It's
Or you
okay.
can go to the school and let them eat and drink, and let them drink the dirty school water that most pets have been licking.
Yeah, that would be better for them. Mommy, it looks like you're just trying to tease me now. I like Coco much better. Well,
I know, right? So do I. They're like just trying to torment us or something. Like, just make us triggered. I know, but it's not fair. It's like we're going on a diet. Like, we can't eat like nice food. Like, in the shop, maybe you can go get us some ice cream, but there's some green ice cream there that is broccoli, isn't there, Garfield?
yeah, exactly. Girls, please.
It's definitely broccoli.
Let me tell you what, if you be nice tomorrow, you won't go to school and you won't
Yeah.
do anything that you don't like.
We'll let you have anything you want for the whole day. Simone, that could be our next video. Get them anything they want.
Yeah. Cut that out. Okay, so where are we going now? We're going to the ice cream shop, the most healthiest shop in the whole world.
Yes.
I don't think so. Where should we go?
Tiger, you always stick your head on the ground. It's like you're a worm. I don't know.
Mommy, you need to go to the doctors because you're not feeling well by not feeding me candy. You take that back, young girl. I just want your life to be good and so you don't be, I don't know, big or something. Because you're already big enough. Hey, Mommy, don't insult me. Well, I'm just telling the truth. And now let's go to the ice cream shop. And buy you an ice cream as a little treat, I guess, because you love ice cream.
Yeah, just one scoop of ice cream, nothing else.
Can I have the strawberry one? No, you're going to have the green one. Remember the broccoli one? Oh, you're going to have vanilla today.
I just gave you the plum one. Ew,
Okay.
I hate this.
Mommy, I'm a bit tired. I think they need to go to
Let's go
bed.
home.
Oh. I should just froze.
You're just serio.
You're still hungry? Are you kidding me? I just fed you your favorite food. I guess I'll have to feed you donuts. Actually, maybe something healthier than donuts. Maybe some cat food or maybe dog food. Mommy, please, anything but dog food. Maybe cat food, please,
Okay,
please.
let's get you to bed. You're lucky you're sleeping in your own bed tonight. You would have been at camp. So,
Ugh. I'm just gonna go get some hot chocolate. I really want some hot chocolate. Mommy, can I have some
let's
hot
go watch TV while we put our little sassy ginger cats to bed.
Exactly. Jeez, you need to learn your lesson. Ugh. Oh, this is the bathroom. Didn't I?
Like, they gotta learn to be respectful because we literally give them mostly everything they want and we get nothing back from them.
No, we actually don't. So I'm just gonna watch some TV. Let's watch some TV.
Same.
Today was a rough day, but they've learned their lesson.
Yes.
Well, anyways, guys, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit that like button and the subscribe button. And I'll see you next time. Bye.